Now, how to copy text from image. Here there is many ways to do it, but here I will show you how to do it correctly, even if you are using Android or iPhone. Now here what to do now is to take a screenshot of the image you want to copy the text from. Here like this. Now as you can see here in the image, now crop the image if you have the access to. Now save the image. Now after saving the image, now what you do now is to go back here. Make sure you have this app, copy text from streamline, which you can download from Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device you are using. Now here open the app like this. Click on it. Now here inside the app, what you do now is to click on this image icon here on the downside here. Now what you do now is to click on the image you want to copy the text from like this. Now here what you do now is to select the language you want to copy it into like this. Now here select any language you like here. You can see many languages here. You see, but here I will use English. In case you didn't see your language, what you do here is to click on this search icon and then type your language here and then click on it like this. Now here also you can make it handwritten by clicking this toggle on, you see, but I prefer it like this. Now what you do now is to click on this good icon on top side here. Also you can also crop it here by clicking on this crop and crop it. As you can see, I've cropped my own already. Now click on this good icon. Now also click on this good icon again on top side here. Now wait for it to extract the text. As you can see, it have extracted the text. You see it here. Now you can edit it by clicking on it. You can see here, edit it. Also you can also select the place you want to copy like this by pressing on it and then select the place you want to copy like this. You can see here, you see it, and then click on copy here. Also you can copy it all by clicking this copy here and select all. You see, you can make it read it for you here by clicking this icon and then select the text to speech here. You can also change its font size like this by selecting the font size like this. You see it here, and here you can see here, copy it like this. You see, and then paste it anywhere you want to paste it to. Here I will use my note app like this. As you can see, I paste it. So that's how to copy text from image perfectly. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.